Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And crude oil outperforms stock market for the week. And that's not a statement you hear very often, but it's true this week as crude oil is set to have its biggest weekly gain in over 2 months, posting a little over 8% on the week that we're taking a look at right here. Currently stands at 8.41% on the week after gaining 5.6% last week. And if we go back to the largest weekly gain before that, we have to go back to April 8th, where it gained a little over 7% at 7.69% on the week. So this would be its largest weekly gain, not only in 2 months, but pretty much a year as we go back. Chart analysis score stands at plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. And your key level to watch will be 70.56. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for crude oil. And we'll move along. We'll take a look at gold, continuing to come under pressure from the bears, down 1.3% on the week, trading at 1,253.90 presently, with a chart analysis score negative 100, indicating that overall the long-term trend is down for the long term and down for the week. Key level to watch will be 1,261.90. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for a short-term time frame for gold. And we'll take a look at S&P 500. Got that new red weekly trade triangle this week at 2,739.51. Currently trading at 2,732.49, down about 0.8% on the week, with a chart analysis score negative 100, indicating that we are in a long-term downtrend across the board for the S&P 500, even though we are finishing out the week with some gains on the daily level. Key level to watch would be 2,791.47. A move back above that level would give a green weekly trade triangle indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the S&P 500. We'll look at the Dow Jones. Much like the S&P 500, we got that red weekly trade triangle this week. Currently trading at 24,412.80, down a little over 0.6% on the week, with a chart analysis score negative 100 with red trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch would be 25,402.83. A move above that level would give a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow. We'll take a look at the Nasdaq. Currently down, the biggest of the three indexes, losing 1.8% on the week, with a chart analysis score negative 70 based on this red weekly trade triangle that we got here at 7,561.20. Key level to watch will be 7,806.60. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a long position for the Nasdaq. And we'll take a look at the US dollar, currently trading at 94.32, up a little over 0.1% on the week, with the chart analysis score of plus 100, indicating that long term the trend is up and strong for the US dollar. Key level to watch is 92.82. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. And we'll wrap it up with the Bitcoin, who continues to be caught in that bear trap as much like gold is. Currently up a little over 0.1% on the day. However, we do have a chart analysis score negative 100, indicating that overall the long-term trend is down and strengthening for Bitcoin. Currently down a little over 4% on the week, trading at 5,883.62, well below the 6,000 level. Key level to watch would be 7,256.11. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. With that, every success, have a great weekend, and I'll be back on Monday.